welcome back. I know it's been forever and a day, but I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. As you can see, my hair is different. I dyed it on Saturday and I absolutely love it. Like, people have been asking me if I missed the blonde. Yes, I missed the blonde, but this is like, it's a vibe. Like, it's a vibe and I like it, and I haven't had this color since like 2014. This is actually close to my natural hair color, a little bit darker, but oh my god, I love it. And okay, this video is a little different. It's sort of like a first impressions try on type of video, and I love watching these videos on YouTube. Like, these are my favorite types of videos to watch on YouTube, so I figured, why don't I make one? And since it had been forever, I was like, I have to get back. So I decided to just do this, and I have a bunch of Fenty products, and I have this Tatcha Luminous skin mist, and I have the little Farsali Instagram drops or whatever. I wanted to hop on the wave, don't judge me, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and please let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next, and if you guys like videos like this, and I'll keep doing them. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hi guys, okay, so I'm going to be starting with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Burnt Orange on a blending brush, and I'm going to blend this all over my crease to use as my transition shade. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Dusty Rose, and I'm going to put it also on my crease just to give it more of a pinky tone. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Sienna, and I'm going to mix it also into my crease just to get it a little bit deeper, and then I'm going to go over it with Orange Soda just to lighten up the top. Now taking the shade Mulberry, and I'm putting this on my outer V just to deepen up the look a little bit. Now my thoughts on this palette, I really love it. I think it's really good. I think you can make so many looks off of it, and I mean, it just has a lot of fallout, but all the Anastasia palettes do, so I mean, I guess that's okay. It's just really worth it. I really love it. Now I'm taking the shade Psaltery, and I'm putting this in like the middle of my lid, and then I'm going to take Rose Pink, and I'm going to put it at the beginning of my lid just to give it a nice like ombre type of transition. Now I'm just taking a makeup wipe, and I'm wiping off the excess just to clean up the look a little bit. Okay, so I'm back. I put on my lashes and everything. Now I'm about to take this little Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, and I'm going to attempt to put it on like the Instagram models do, but as you can see, I pretty much fail. And please don't let this get in your mouth. It tastes really disgusting, like you can see my face. Anyways, my thoughts on this product, I really like it. It's a really good moisturizer. I don't think, however, that it's a good primer for the foundation I'm about to use. I don't know. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I got mine in the shade 180. I got it online and it seemed to be pretty accurate. One thing you guys should know is that this foundation starts oxidizing as soon as you put it on your face. So just a heads up. But I don't know, I don't think I like this foundation with the primer. Like, I'm gonna try it without the primer to see my final thoughts on it, but with this oily primer and the matte on top of it, I don't know, I don't think it mixed. It made my face look pretty cakey, and it just looked not like skin. It looked like you were wearing straight up foundation, and I didn't really like it. So now I'm trying out the highlighter duo by Fenty Beauty, Mean Money and Hustla Baby. First I'm applying Mean Money, and this is like the more subtle highlight of the two. Then when I apply Hustla Baby, I really like it. I really like how it looks on my skin. It's on the verge of being too dark for me, but not just yet. It's like golden and peachy at the same time. I think it's super pretty for the summer. It's an A+ from me. Now I'm trying out this new Too Faced Natural Lipstick, I think it's called, in the shade Birthday Suit. I absolutely love the shade and the formula. It's kind of glossy, it's not matte at all. I really love it, especially for the summer. Now for the product I was most excited about, the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite out of everything that I tried, and I'm going to repurchase this. I don't care how expensive it is. It leaves your skin looking so pretty, so healthy. Even though the foundation looked a little cakey, this, I feel like it totally fixed it. I absolutely love it. For the summer, it's amazing. Alright, so this is the final look with everything. So far my favorite products were the Tatcha Skin Mist and the lipstick, and also the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see me make more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.